What's up, everyone? So, yeah, you might think that, you might think that we, don't live in Louisiana anymore. But, no, this is definitely Louisiana. Oh my gosh. This feels like I'm in Missouri, though, or something. Or, Nebraska, even. Look how thick this is on the driveway. Look at that. And this is Louisiana. People have been out driving in this, apparently. I think they said it's mission essential only people, I don't know. I guess it's food people or something. But yeah, that's been a while because it's still snowing. So these tire tracks are, and if you look, there's ice up underneath that. See that? So it's snow on top of ice. So it started sleeting last night, probably around 8 o'clock or so. Something like 8 or 9. But this is our neighborhood. It's look at that. Just everything. It's just covered in snow. And there's our house. Truck is kinda, sort of not covered in snow, but it's covered in snow. I was gonna walk down here to the lake and see what that looks like. At least the vet is nice and covered. Sorry. It's I think it's, what'd they say it is? 18 degrees, 20 degrees, something like that. Or it was 18 degrees this morning. It's probably a little warmer now. This is crazy. Supposedly, there's a bunch of trucks here. This guy's starting his up. I don't know if he's leaving or what. Anyways, sorry, I just realized I was filming the ground. I haven't filmed in a while, in case you couldn't tell. But man, oh, this is the guy that left, because you can see here the tire tracks just kind of end. He's apparently, yeah, he's the only one that's left, I guess. Here we are, we're making fresh tracks. Oop, that house is gonna get a new roof. Fresh tracks. We're gonna go down to this. Well, we're just gonna go down to the end of the street and look, I guess, because technically all this stuff's other people's property, so I'm not trying to trespass on their property. So, but we're just gonna go down here to the end and kind of look out and see what we can see. But yeah, apparently there hasn't been a storm like this in Louisiana since '96. So this is crazy though for Louisiana. I'm having trouble walking through this. Look at this. This is deep. This is This is some effort to get through this stuff. Oh my gosh. Luckily my camera has stabilization, but I'm pretty sure it's still shaky because, like, it is effort to walk through this, and I know I'm kind of shaking around trying to get through it. So we'll see how the digital stabilization does. If you see the dock, ooh, that wind is cold. That dock that's back there on the other side of the lake, that's actually a state park. So I'm gonna keep moving though, because when I stop moving, I realize that wind is cold, and I only got one layer of pants on. So it's just these like sweat pant things that I'm wearing. I got like 2 shirts and a jacket and gloves and long socks and boots. It's just my legs are cold. So, oh gosh. Sorry, I had to switch hands. Yeah, there's a piece of property down here that we used to kind of, I can't hold it like that because then I block the camera. There's this little piece of property down here that we used to kind of cut down on, and we would just go out and look at the lake. But technically it's private property, and it has a sign up that says no trespassing. So, whoop, little squirrel was out today, apparently. Ran across here from that tree over to that tree. Not much activity though, other than that. Oh, there's a little squirrel right there. He'll probably, well, he's either frozen or he'll run away when I get close enough. Better go find a warm spot, buddy. Yeah. Oop, I think I came off the road. I can't tell where the road is, actually. Yeah, this little thing here, there's a driveway that goes down to a little boat launch. And it's private property, so we're gonna not trespass on that. I can't tell where the road is right now. Anyways, this is the lake out here where we live. So I wanted to kind of get up to the edge, but not gonna be able to. But I wanted to see if any of the water up by the edge was frozen. It kind of doesn't look like it is. So, ooh, now we're walking back into the wind. The wind was coming from behind me, apparently. Here you can see my tracks. Look how deep that is. Good grief. We had some snow about, what was it, about a month ago or so, and it wasn't, I mean, it like dusted the grass compared to this. This is like, this just reminds me of when I used to live in like Missouri or Ohio, or when we'd go to visit Nebraska. That's what this reminds me of. Anyways, here's me making fresh tracks. On this nice white powder. I wish I had a sled. This would be fun to sled in. I mean, we're in Louisiana, so I don't really know where you would sled. Maybe if I walk back in my tracks. Oh yeah, that's easier. There we go. Oh, that's way easier. Anyways. hands are getting cold now. Oops, sorry. My hands are freezing. Whew. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys this, and just, this is crazy for Louisiana. Oh man, it's a good little hike down there to the end of the road. Alright, well, I'm back to the house, and I'm gonna go up my driveway here. Oh, this is a hill, and it's actually kind of slick under here. Anyways, so just wanted to show you guys this, and yeah, so here I'm back to the house. I'm gonna go inside and warm up in front of the fire because I can't feel my face or my hands. So, yep, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.